In this video, I will be showing you how to use magic layers in Canva. Let's get started. From the Canva homepage, I start by clicking on the Create a Design button in the top left corner. From the menu options, I select YouTube Thumbnail to open up a fresh, blank canvas. Next, I navigate to the left sidebar and click on Uploads to access my uploaded media. I locate the flat graphic design I want to work with and click on it to place it directly onto the canvas. Then, I center and align the image properly so it fits the workspace nicely. With the image selected, I go to the top toolbar and click on Edit. In the Edit Image panel that appears on the left, I look under the Tools section and select Magic Layers. Canva will now analyze the entire graphic and automatically separate all the elements into individual, editable layers. Once the processing is complete, all the objects within the flat image become fully interactive. I can now select the main text headline and resize or move it around freely. Next, I click on the secondary sign element and reposition it. I can also grab the subject layer to scale and reposition her, or even select and move the background landscape independently. To reset the layout, I click the Undo button in the top toolbar multiple times until everything returns to its original position. Now, I select the text layer, open the text color picker from the top bar, and choose a new color from the Photo Colors palette to customize the text. Once I click outside the canvas to deselect, my updated design is ready. And there you have it. That's the complete process of how to use Magic Layer in Canva.